If you've ever wanted to create clean, cinematic product promo videos using Veo 3.1, but don't know how to write a prompt, no problem. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to write an effective prompt for an AI-generated product promo footage inside Filmora 15. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. What is image-to-video prompting? Image-to-video prompting lets you take a still product image and ask AI to turn it into moving footage. That motion could be as simple as a rotation, a camera push, or a lighting change. The key is telling the AI how you want the camera to move, how the lighting should look, and what mood matches your product. First, go to the Stock Media tab, and then to the AI Media folder. Select Image to Video. Then upload your product image, which you want to convert into a video with AI. We are using a Coke can image. Now let's breaking down the prompt structure. To write a good prompt, break it into 4 simple parts. 1. Product description with scene. What is the item, placement of the item, and shot type? A cinematic product shot of an ice-cold Coca-Cola can be placed on a glossy black surface. 2. Camera movement. How should the camera move? Slow dolly-in camera movement. 3. Details and lighting. Details of the product and what lights are hitting it. As condensation droplets form and slide down the can, subtle mist and cold vapor surround it. A soft rim light highlights the iconic red logo, while reflections shimmer on the metal. Background fades into a dark studio. Ultra-realistic lighting, shallow depth of field. 4. Mood or style. What vibe are you going for? Dramatic contrast, cinematic and film grain. 5. Frames. What frame do you want for the shot? Commercial advertisement style, 24 frames per second. Once done with the prompt, click on Generate, and within a few minutes, you will get your AI-generated product promo video. Let's see the preview. Now, place it on the timeline and make further color adjustments. Once color correction is complete, edit in your style using masks and Filmora assets to make it more dynamic. Here is the final preview of the video we have generated and edited in Filmora 15. Here are some product promo generated by AI. Remember, describe the product, define the camera, define the lighting, define the mood. The better the prompt, the better your image-to-video results. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.